This is how you're going to fix Elementor sticky header overlapping the scroll to section. So in the Elementor sidebar, all you have to do is to search for the menu anchor widget. So in order for us not to have any difficulties trying to find it from here, we can just search for it right here at the top. So we're just going to search for menu anchor. So after that, we're just going to drag it over, and then we're going to drop it inside the section that we want to put it, but put it at the very top of that section. So for example, right here, or you can also put it right here. So I'm just going to put it right there. And then from there, we can give it a name in the ID box, like for example, about us. So I'm going to type in about us right there. And then if your header is about 100 pixels tall, we need that anchor to sit higher than the section so the header doesn't cover the text. So we're going to click on that menu anchor widget that we just dropped, and then from here we're going to go to the advanced tab in the sidebar. Now from here, we're going to find the margin section right here at the very top under the section layout, or the layout section. And then from here, we're just going to unlink the values. We're going to click the little chain icon so that it turns gray. So as you can see, it already is gray, so we don't have to click it anymore. So if it turns gray, that means it is unlinked. Now in the top margin, you can type a negative number like -100. So right here, we can just click on, or we can just type in -100. And then after that, it pulls the invisible landing spot up into the air. When someone clicks your link, the screen jumps to that invisible spot, leaving plenty of room for your sticky header to sit above your title. And that's it. That is how you're going to fix the Elementor sticky header overlapping the scroll to section. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this.